Budget-friendly product photography with your iPhone. Let's go.
You're gonna need your phone, some kind of light source, my favorite baking paper, aluminum foil, a sheet of paper, a few props, and your product. Clean your product as best as you can. Then place it down along with your props. Take a piece of the aluminum foil, fold it and wrap it around your light to avoid spilling the light all over the place. Then tape the baking paper to your light. Place down the sheet of paper on the opposite side to bounce some light back. Turn on the Apple RAW. Turn off the sun. And I would recommend to turn on long exposure and to shoot on your telephoto lens. And take a few shots. Now edit your photo as you normally would and copy the edit settings to every shot. Open them all in one file, rasterize them, then go to File, Auto-Align Layers and hit OK. Then select all the layers and create a smart object. Now go to Layer, Smart Objects, Stack Mode and choose Media. This will average your photos and it will remove some unwanted noise. And now just retouch your photo as you normally would. I like to finish my shots with Dehancer plugin to bring in some character in the shot. And there you have it, product photography with pretty much zero budget. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, hit that like button and I'll see you next time. See ya!